Okay, guys. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you guys how to make money online on digital platform per se. So today I'll be teaching you how to go live, right, and also make some cool cash. All right. Yeah, you can actually go live on TikTok and make your cool cash. How do you do this? First, you should have 1,000 followers. That is just the requirement. Carve it. See, you can actually go live without having up to that amount of followers. You can go live with just 50, with just 100. It depends. But for the purpose of this video, you must have at least 8,000 followers. I'll do a video for other these things, maybe for people that have 50, 100, 200 followers on their account. I'll do another video, but for those that have 1,000, yeah, you can actually go live. How do you actually go live? Open your TikTok account. Yeah, you see this plus sign. You see this plus, and note this just a tutorial account, and yeah, you will have over 2,000 followers. You see this, just tap on this plus sign. Yeah, if you are qualified, like if you have up to that, you see AI self, you see live, you see post. Tap on, just tap on live, you see go live. Here, this is where your magic starts, right? um Enter your title. If you notice, I said go live tutorial here. Then there's also flip. That's if you want to flip your camera to the other side, or if you want it to face you, back and front camera. Then beautify and effect, if you want to add beauty to your background and all that, right? Then you have settings where you set up other things. You really have to do this because it will actually attract viewers to your go live. Then you have your fan club also. Then you can just click on go live, and voila, you are here. Now, what other things can you do? You can actually decide to invite people, right? You can actually do a quick invite. Just click on this invite and you invite people. And you can also have a co-host, right? You can also have a co-host, go live with people that other people that want to co-host your go live, right? And on that thing I want to point out is here, the big one is this gifting. You see this add now, very very important. Add now, yeah, just click on that add now. Then it will bring you this particular this thing where you set up your gifting, right? You want people to gift you while you are live. You set it up. You can set for super fans. You can set, just make sure you make it attractive. You can change emojis, you can change gifts, right? But make sure you set it up so that people, when people see it, they recognize, okay, we need to give to this person. All right, it's very important. This is actually where you make that money you want to make on TikTok. Very very important. Then what else? Your power button, just in case you want to end your life, yeah, you can just click on it, right? But before then, we also have this thing, this icon that look like house. Once you click it, it will show you your report, your real-time performance, right? Everything that have been happening, the number of viewers you've gotten, the number of new followers you have, and then your gift also. It will just show you everything in summary, all right? And also how much your gift translates is very important. Then your button, you can decide to end your go live, right? Just with this end now, and that is just it. It give you a summary page of everything you have done or everything you've achieved within that period you are online or you are live. All right, very very important. It's just simple. It's just simple, but then you need to know how to go about the settings. All right, in my next video, like I promised, I'll do on a video for those that have below 1,000 followers, and I'll also do another video on how to do your setup. All right, very important, so people can start gifting you. All right, please don't forget to like this YouTube page. All right, please make sure you like this YouTube page, and please share. All right, share so the algorithm will push this video, and more people will actually get to make money on digital platforms. I'm here for you just to make sure you make money on digital platform. All right. Yeah. Thank you very much.